Welcome to this Chemscape presentation on the hazards of ammonia. Ammonia is a colorless gas with a distinct odor. It is a key component in the manufacture of many products people use every day. Today, we will focus on gaseous ammonia, or anhydrous ammonia, commonly found in refrigerants, cleaning products, and fertilizers. Ammonia can be a liquid or gas, but the gaseous form is most dangerous, and high concentrations are potentially fatal. If you work in the following industries, you may be at risk for exposure or unintended exposure to ammonia: agricultural, farming, industrial, petroleum refining, mines and metallurgy, food processing, chemical production, ice making systems, janitorial. What are the uses for ammonia? Ammonia is a key ingredient in household cleaning products. About 90% of the ammonia produced is used in fertilizers to support global food production. It is commonly used in refrigeration systems, including those for food processing and ice rinks. Ammonia is used in industrial manufacturing, including the production of plastics, synthetic fibers, dyes, explosives, pharmaceuticals, and detergents. Ammonia presents several physical hazards. While ammonia gas is not inherently flammable, it can become explosive when mixed with air and ignited. Therefore, it is considered a flammable hazard. When stored as a compressed or liquefied gas, ammonia may explode if exposed to heat. Ammonia poses serious health hazards, including toxicity when inhaled, severe irritation of the nose and throat. Inhalation of ammonia can lead to a life-threatening buildup of fluid in the lungs called pulmonary edema. Ammonia is highly corrosive. Its gas and vapor can irritate or cause burns to the skin and eyes. Liquefied ammonia gas can cause skin or eye damage by chilling or freezing the tissue, leading to frostbite upon contact. The highest risk of ammonia exposure comes from breathing in the gas, which can be fatal. The level of danger depends on the concentration of ammonia and how long you've been exposed to it. At low concentrations, exposure to ammonia causes irritation to the eyes, nose, and respiratory system, chemical and freeing burns on the skin. At high concentrations, ammonia exposure can be fatal within a few breaths. Ammonia has a distinct pungent smell, which usually makes it easy to identify. But repeated exposure reduces your ability to smell the gas. This can occur even if levels of gas are dangerously high. Ingestion of ammonia solution causes pain, excessive salivation, and burns to the throat and digestive tract. Direct contact with highly concentrated gas or liquid can result in severe skin burns and blisters. Direct eye contact may result in severe eye injury and, if not treated right away, may lead to blindness. Liquid ammonia can also produce frostbite and corrosive damage. Irritation of the eye membranes and dermatitis has also been reported. Let's review how to protect ourselves from ammonia exposure. It can be difficult to replace ammonia, but in some applications, like for ammonia-based cleaners, substitutions are likely available. Effective ventilation is paramount in ammonia handling environments. For local ventilation, use an enclosure hood, capture hood, or receiving hood for extracting and exhausting to the outdoors. For general ventilation, ensure adequate air circulation in work areas. For refrigeration systems, it's required that a fan ventilates the machine and storage rooms with at least 15 air changes per hour. Administrative controls can reduce worker exposure. Follow safe work procedures, an exposure control plan if available, and review the emergency response plan. Regular maintenance and inspection for leaks or spills keep the workplace safe. Maintaining a safe working environment with ammonia requires strict adherence to site-specific rules. Restrict access to ammonia work areas. Eliminating all heat and ignition sources, including sparks, open flames, hot surfaces, and static discharge, is crucial to prevent fires or explosions. Post no smoking signs throughout the premises. Eating, drinking, and smoking areas should be separate from any work area where ammonia is present. Alarm and monitoring systems are crucial for early detection of ammonia. Use fixed gas detectors with an alarm system that responds to a certain preset level. Use portable monitors to complement for rapid response to a leak or release. Prevent incidents with proper storage and disposal of ammonia. To avoid dangerous reactions, do not store incompatible materials in the same room as ammonia. For example, iodine, bromine, chlorine, and hypochlorite bleaches. Properly label all process, storage, and disposal containers. Keep containers tightly closed when not in use or when empty to prevent leaks and vapor release. Waste materials containing ammonia must be treated as hazardous waste, requiring storage in sealed containers and disposal according to your regulations. For eye and face protection, wear chemical safety goggles with a face shield if a full face respirator is not used. For skin protection, wear chemical protective clothing, for example, gloves, aprons, boots, and coveralls. Suitable glove materials include nitrile, neoprene, and butyl rubber. Use respiratory protection in environments with potential ammonia gas releases. Respirators equipped with specialized ammonia cartridges or canisters are mandatory. For enhanced protection and to eliminate the risk of eye irritation, a full-face air purifying respirator is strongly recommended over the combined use of goggles and a half-face air purifying respirator. This full-face design provides a complete seal, safeguarding both the respiratory system and the eyes from harmful ammonia vapors. Medical evaluation is required if you are assigned a respirator. A respirator fit test is required to ensure effectiveness. You should be trained on the correct use, maintenance, cleaning, and storage of respirators. In the event of ammonia exposure, immediate decontamination is crucial. Begin by thoroughly rinsing exposed eyes with copious amounts of water for a minimum of 15 minutes. Simultaneously, remove all contaminated clothing while continuously flushing affected skin areas. Rinse exposed skin and hair with water for at least 5 minutes, ensuring all traces of ammonia are eliminated. To prevent further contamination, double bag all contaminated clothing and personal belongings, sealing them securely for proper disposal or decontamination. Use a separate area for eating, drinking, and smoking. Wash your hands carefully before eating, drinking, or smoking. Hygiene facilities should be used and well maintained, and decontamination procedures should be strictly followed. Conduct regular training on the health effects of ammonia and how to control exposure. Inspect equipment and facilities according to manufacturer guidelines and regulatory standards. Place labels on equipment for out-of-service equipment and keep a record of maintenance. That concludes the video on the hazards of ammonia. Use the knowledge you have gained from this presentation to protect your health in the workplace and in your personal life. For more information on this topic, contact your health and safety representative.